everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make きゅうりとツナのキムチ和え。It's just cut and mix type of salad that you can whip up in 5 minutes. No cooking on stove involved. So it's so easy, fuss-free, but it's surprisingly delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 or 2 cucumbers, depending on the size. 1 or 2 canned tuna, again, depending on the size. This one is 80 grams. 200 grams of kimchi, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, sesame oil and sesame seeds, and half tablespoon of sugar. Let's cut the cucumbers first. Cut both ends off. And using empty bottle, smash them. You can use rolling pin instead. And tear it with your hands into bite-sized pieces. By doing this, the other ingredients stay well on the cucumber, so it's never tasteless. Let's put it in the bowl here. Let's drain canned tuna. You can use the one in oil or you can use the one in brine, whichever you like. Remove excess moisture. Then add to the bowl. If it's too chunky, just flake it. Kimchi, sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, and sesame seeds. Give it a mix. And it's done. Super easy. Serve in the bowl. And きゅうりとツナのキムチ和え is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。So light and refreshing. It's such a simple dish with very simple ingredients. But the outcome is surprisingly delicious. You really have to try this. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. きゅうりとツナのキムチ和え is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Onion miso soup or any soup you like here. The side dishes are light, so I think I want to have something heavy for the other dishes. So how about spicy pork bowl here, which will also cover the main, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!